Manual recording will now start.
Yeah, thanks for that, asshole.
What about Vietnam?
Manual recording will now start.
This is one of the many private gravel roads I gotta go down. As you can tell by this BMW sedan, whoever tried resurfacing this road probably just said, fuck it, shortly after dropping the dirt piles. It truly amazes me that people will just put up with this anyway. This is why my car always looks so dirty. And of course, I can't say anything to the owner about it either because it's not my road. Although that said, should the owner ever see this, fix your fucking road. This is your only chance to. Actually, this is going to be mine.
Happy holidays. Well, we're back at it again with another Instagram product video. And as you can see...
Oh god, I'm not the only one.
The end, kind of to the end, just to finish those roads off. These are probably blocks, so maybe there's one right behind.
Months ago for a lot of money and then just cut a window in the front. That's not what I did. You're not allowed to.
God, you're an impatient.
Faster to install than the specs at 1.04 seconds on average. And the GRKs move into a tie with velocity at 1.04 seconds. And the stainless steel eagle claws were hammered into...
You'd want to go with Scavenger. Now you also understand that the FAMAS has great long-range capabilities with low recoil, so an ACOG...
So they can save themselves a little bit of embarrassment over what they get up to during their alone time. And
Okay, what are y'all
today we
doing?
going to go to the late Yugoslav dictator Josip Broz Tito passing away in the early 80s, leading to a culmination.
Seriously, what the fuck is it with you?
lot of those candidates you guys helped elect actually wrote and or co-sponsored a lot of the constitutional carry bills that you're seeing pass now, including the state of Texas.
It took you long enough.
Manual recording will now.
You're gonna head into. Ooh, they got a Godfather's. Oh, that's the wrong way, dude.
Manual recording will now start.
Yeah, okay, fuck you too. Well, chances are I'm gonna be the only one eating people. Wow, everybody's screwing up.
Itself is destroyed, and all the turrets associated with that hub will also be destroyed.
Look at that. They actually fixed it. Wow.
For the time it struggled,
You see that?
Testing Makita.
Passing zone was back there, dude.
Manual recording will now start.
To continue the test.
Yeah, I ran it, so fucking shoot me. Yeah, I'm gonna be that guy. Dwellings are all over the place. Some of them are rife with squatters. Shit. Oh, don't tell me. Alright, screw it, I'm doing it.
Where agreeing was not only the default correct thing to do, but in fact discovered that saying no on the odd occasion will actually fuck up your playthrough. You also noticed an option where you could do something, but by doing it you choose the most ludicrous, pointless outcome possible that will cost you dearly later. I won't give details.
I'm actually being fucking serious. Shoot me.